Using OpenCart to set up and manage your online store is intuitive and efficient. Here's a quick guide to get started. Install OpenCart. First, download the latest version of OpenCart from the official website. Upload the files to your web hosting server, then navigate to your domain in a web browser to initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. Log into Admin Panel. Access your OpenCart admin dashboard by visiting yourdomain.com/admin. Use the credentials you set up during installation to log in. Add products. Go to Catalog Products. Click on Add New to create a product. Fill in essential details like product name, description, price, images, and stock status. Organize products into categories for better navigation. Customize your store. Navigate to Design, Themes to choose and customize your theme. You can modify layouts, banners, and logos to match your brand. Set up payment and shipping. In the admin panel, configure payment methods under Extensions, Payments, and set shipping options under Extensions, Shipping. Manage orders. Monitor sales by going to Sales Orders. Here, you can view, process, and manage customer orders.